Welcome to RPA Hub. In this video, we'll talk about get number of columns actions using automation anywhere. To get the number of column actions from automation anywhere, we'll build one task bot and we'll show you from scratch how we can achieve it. Now here, I will just drag and drop one step and write the name of that step is get number of columns. Post that, we'll open one CSV file, actions, and here we'll provide the file path along with the file name and extensions. So this is my employee data table where we'll read these informations. So I'm adding here read CSV or text file and store the informations into one variable. So here I'm creating a file variable name with DT products. After that, here we'll add get number of column actions where we'll have two options: select non empty columns and select total columns, where we'll add data table as DT products and assign result to variable as simple number. Same details will print it into the message box. So here we'll assign the sample number and this value will be printed into my message box. Because this is a string, so it will add the string as type. Now let me run the code and see the result. Now I can see here we got 4. Now automation execution is completed. Let me open the Excel and see the result. So we have total 4 columns available. That's the reason we got output as 4. If we want, we can even change the details. Now let me disable it and try to see the same logic for my output. This time we can use the message box if after reading the CSV file itself, where we'll have data table column count dot number dot to string. Now you can see here this time as well we got exactly same message, that is 4. We click OK and now our execution is completed. Similarly, we can modify the step executions. So I will just copy the step and paste it to next action, and here we'll add some other fields or actions. We'll modify the name of step here as get number of rows. So initially we tried for the column. Now this time we'll try to get number of or count of rows. In some of the automation, it's required. That's the reason we are trying to build or see this result. Because our data table name is DT products and I wanted to get sample number, and exactly same thing will print into the message box where we will give the variable name into this message box so that we should get a proper result. So again, this is for the sample number. We'll get desired output, and here I am converting number dot to string. Now you can see here message box printed total count as 10. Total count as 10. Now let me go to the Excel file or CSV file and count the number. You can see it here. Let's start with the table header. We have total 10 rows. That's the reason it got printed as total number of rows available into the CSV as 10. So it's a very quick where we can get informations very quickly. As an alternative, we can also read these informations from the CSV file as well. But from there, we have to add different logic where we have to change the message box and accordingly we'll get row count of CSV file. Now, once it is done, let me see and run the code. So it will give me exact count of rows data which will be printed and accordingly we'll see the results. So it's very quick where without writing a single line of code, we can generate or get column number, a column count and rows count. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And if you wanted to learn more about Automation Anywhere, feel free to refer my complete Automation Anywhere playlist. I've also created one Udemy course if you want. Opt those Udemy course where I covered total 7 real life scenario. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.